Welcome to the third video in this series documenting the restoration of my 1941 Gibson ES300. So this is just going to be a short video demonstrating what a difference installing soundposts has made to the structure of the guitar and to its acoustic tone. Before going any further in this guitar's restoration, I knew I had to fit soundposts to it, as the internal bracing has been compromised by having the braces cut to fit the pickup. Again, I believe that was done at the factory. So I found some spruce offcuts from when I was building guitars years ago. Now these are from the edge of a spruce blank where the grain is quite wide, but the wood is incredibly light and very strong. Now I decided to support the bracing rather than the soundboard. Now I thought that this was going to be a long process of trial and error, getting the length exactly right. I measured up and cut two pieces. The first one, under the treble side brace, fit perfectly first try, but the second one I cut a tiny bit too short, and I had to make another attempt after much faffing around trying to get the short one to fit under tension. Now I must say that these soundposts are actually only being held in by the tension of the strings pushing down. There's no glue involved. So yes, the bass side soundpost did end up fitting perfectly first try after I made a second one. So I'm now really happy with the solidity of the guitar's construction, and I will press on with all the other things that need doing. If you've seen the second video in this series, you will have seen how much the top flexed with the internal bracings having cut. This video on the top left shows about 3mm of flex just with my thumb pressure, and the small photo on the left shows that the 3mm depression is there with the strings at tension. But now that I've fitted the sound posts, there's much less of a concern about the top overflexing. The photo on the right shows the strings at tension now. So here's the 1941 ES300, but now fitted with sound posts. I'm going to play the same tunes as I did previously, and then I'll play them back to back so that you can hear the comparison of with and without the sound posts. So same strings, same pick, same room, same iPhone 16 that I'm recording with, and I'll try and play the same tunes. So here we go.
have to admit that's a little bit more difficult to play with the soundposts because, of course, the action is higher because the bridge is 3mm further up. I think I can ascertain from that it probably does need a bit of fret work.
So I guess you can hear the notable difference acoustically between with and without soundposts. However, I feel structurally this guitar needs the soundposts, and this is an electric guitar after all. So in the next video, I'll be showing you the electrification or re-electrification of this guitar. Thanks for watching.